today's video is all about bag charms. So for me, I'm using it to zhuzh up old bags that I probably wouldn't wear. But for other people, it can be a trend. But for whatever reason, we all love bag charms. Another reason I do like them is because I've collected whether certain like shoes come with tags. Like I've just collected little, I don't know, tchotchkes, figurines, like little stupid things. I just like stupid things. So I have some for my personal collection, and then once I realized I think I want to partake in the bag charm festivities, I bought a couple. So most of my items, you should be seeing them right now. These are all things that, like I said, came off shoes. I have a lot of Coach charms off my Coach bags, and other bags came with their own little charms. I also spent about 15 bucks at Shein buying 1-2 things, like some clasps I didn't have, and yeah. And then also, yeah, I used for the bags, also for the handles, I used these like fake twillies. You can get them from AliExpress or Shein. I already had some from years ago because I thought they were bandanas and they were like super thin. I was going to use them to tie my hair, so I just had mine from then. And then for one of my bags, I used a bandana, and I'll make a short about it in the future, because to get one bandana to make 2 pieces for both handles, I cut it diagonally instead of cutting it in half, because I wanted it to mimic when I fold it the size of a twilly, because twilly wrap around the arms perfectly. So that's what I did. And like I said, yeah, like you don't have to spend a lot of money. That's why I really like this charm, this trend, because you should have some charms or keychains from travels or gifts, or just gifts with purchase. And like I said, a lot of shoes nowadays, like my Timbs came with a charm, my Vans came with a charm. I lost my Vans charm, but that was years ago. But I know Vans come with charms, certain ones. Some Nikes come with charms. Just different things like that you can buy that just come with an extra charm. Like, you know what I mean? Like look at like Stanley X Elf. See, that would be a cute charm, because then if that hangs on your bag, the little Stanley cup that holds the elf lip oil, that would have been so cute. But they sold out. But I really wanted that charm, and I just wanted it just to have. I wasn't going to use it, but you see, it would have came in helpful today. So for me, I think in order to participate with this trend, you could just throw whatever you want on a bag and it could work. Or for me, I had inspiration. Miu Miu made this like bowling kind of bag, and then they had all these like lanyards, and they had charms on the lanyards. That's one, I'm showing a picture right now, so that's one of the inspirations I did have. The second inspiration I had was Balenciaga. They make this bag, the Le Cajole. I really like it. I'm gonna get that one day, okay? But the old bag, which is a purse, the new Le Cajole doesn't have a leather strap, and it has a chain strap, and then on that they have raw chains and some of those bungee cords also that I had to get, and then they have charms hanging from it. And what I got from Balenciaga also is they had like a big lock that says Balenciaga on it. That's like on the black bag, it's hot pink. It's different colors on different bags. So I combined stuff that I already have with that main thought. So this is my thought process. I think the bag charm trend looks really good when you wrap the handle of a bag. So for almost every bag, I wrap the handles. That was the first thing that I think, even if you don't dangle something off it, just doing the fake twillies or a bandana, that alone gives it charm. Then for me, my second like tier to how I wanted to structure my stuff was those dangly like lanyards that I've never seen before other than the bag charm trend. And then after that, it was just like, do whatever. So I tried to theme and like color coordinate so they had some kind of style and rhyme or reason, because I did see a lot of like inspiration. Some of them it was just everything, and to me, I didn't like it. So I tried to rhyme or reason. I did 3 bags first, and then I did a bonus bag. So we'll get to the first bag. The first bag is my trusty Longchamp, and this is Le Pilage. This is the small one with a small handle because they have the longer handles. I had this for years. I only use this in the winter, and that's because I can put my gloves in it and like a scarf if I have. This is one of the things I got from Shein because I was going with the brown theme. So I'm like, I want something cutesy, so I love this, okay? They have this color and a lighter color, and then this, also the cord is from Shein, and just, like I would say these heart things, and that's another thing. Some of these things are from Shein, but like I said, I saw the locks, the colored lock style from Balenciaga. That's where I stole this from. But these locks were from the dollar store. They were like 2 for $1. I painted one purple to go with another bag, but it didn't work. And then I painted this one blue. Oh my God, it chipped already. And like, do you know I put a clear coat over this? And the joke is, it chipped because I've worn this bag, because when I put it on, it was perfect. So I'll probably have to, but you know what? Maybe I'll leave it, and the half chip, half painted might look edgy. But then like, yeah, like this is something I already had. This is a Coach tag from another bag. This I got from Shein. This I already had, because this is actually a chain to put on a bag. I bought it for a different Coach bag. I bought this and a gold. And I just never used this because this said antique gold, another one said gold. And when it came, like, I didn't know, so I just kept it. So I've never used it, but you see, like, and then, you know what I mean? So I don't know, something, it's like, I don't know if this would be enough and the chain is too much. Like, something to me with this bag, why it can't be number one, something's either missing or it's too much. Like, I just don't know where I stand. And for some reason, it's all about the chain. I feel like maybe I'll just wear it with these two danglies, because I feel like the chain introduces more brown, but this doesn't have brown. So like, maybe if the chain was blue or black, it would go more. But yeah, I want to either add more or take away to this bag. But for now, for the next couple months, until I figure out my caper or like get the brown bandana, this is what we got. And the bandana I didn't buy, this is one I had for years that I used to wrap my head in before silk ties were invented. And yeah, I just washed it, cut it on a diagonal, and yeah, bada bing, so that you can have two pieces. Otherwise, I seen people wrap one bandana around a handle and it looked too chunky and like unfinished. So I like this. It fits, I don't know, it fits better. So this is bag number one. Okay, bag number two, which is my favorite bag because it just came out good, you know what I mean? Even though I had a different direction, but because my hang ties didn't come, this went in a different direction. This one I was gonna make all like, I have more fruit themed hangy things, so I was gonna make this more like tropical fruity, and the hang tag that was supposed to come with this was white. So like what was hanging would be colorful, and then I had some other things that were white, so this was going to be more muted, and only the fruits were going to be pop of color. But like I said, AliExpress done robbed me, because I ordered those hangy things from AliExpress in like late September. This video was supposed to be a month ago, and then just at the last minute I ordered some accessories from Shein like 2 weeks later, and then in November I'm like, okay, I don't think the AliExpress stuff is coming, and I just ordered more of these from Shein, and by that time they had nothing. In September they probably would have had more, so I had to resort to making it like this. So this is the first thing I bought that I knew I would be hanging off the bag, also from Shein, and it looks handmade. It probably isn't, but super cute, super cute. And then these I had from back in the day. And then this Shein as well, Shein. And this I got with a Christmas gift years ago from a friend, and I just never used it. I was going to, because I have a bag with buttons on it that I'm going to redo, and I was gonna, because these are pins, I was gonna take the pins off, but then I would have just had this piece of leather, and I didn't, it was like, so I just left it on, and I'm glad I did, because, you know what I mean? Like if people, like, the bag is from Zara, by the way. It's an older bag, like maybe 5-6 years old, but like, I don't know, the way I designed it, it's like it could be Coach, you know, like I'm not trying to fake it that it is, but you know what I mean? I don't know, this without it, like honestly, just with this, super cute. And like I said, the handle, which this is the 4-pack thing I got from AliExpress years ago, those fake twillies, this, like this is still good. Like if I want a simpler look, or I don't want that too much red, I think it would conflict with my outfit, I will leave the bag just like this for years. Like this can go, but I'm a little bit extra. So for the extraness, like super cute. And I just think like all the red bouncing off the black and the white. So this is my favorite bag. And yeah, and this bag, I probably got this like 2018. I mostly wore it when I went out. Wore it for probably 2-3 years hard. After 2021, I have not worn this bag. I think I wore it like once 2022 summer. Have not worn this bag for a few years now. So that's what I say about this trend. Like it breathed new life into this, because like now I'm like, this bag is so cute. It's so interesting. Like it doesn't go with my outfit, but can't wait to wear it. So that's bag number 2. Bag number 3, I think is a total flop. You might think it's okay. This is another bag, a Zara bag. Love this bag, stock this bag. They bought it like 40 bucks, I remember. So happy. I got it for like $12.99 on a sale. And I usually wear this in the summertime because it has a crossbody strap. But it's just like, it is kind of boring sometimes. So instead of doing 2, because I do have an extra twilly, I could have put here, but it's just not the same print. Because like I said, this 4-pack that Shein has and AliExpress has, it's 4 different prints. Like this is one of them. And then the last bag has another one. So this was the only one with a straight checkered. And I was gonna think to do this, I knew the checkered would look best on this. You know what I mean? But this bag, well, I don't like it because the other bags, these kind of rings are hanging from here, so that way you can hang the charms and they like fall nicely. And also I ordered a purple stringy thing for that, didn't come. So it's like I ordered one more string, but they didn't have purple, so the color I have doesn't even go with this. It's a light blue. I have to put it on something else. So it's like I don't have a string, which I feel like for me was a focal point of my bag charmage. And then like when I had this on this side, it like hung awkwardly. I like them to drape down. So I just put these 3, once again, everything from Shein. And yeah, it's all right. I do have another dog like this. He's smaller and he's purple, but I feel like this color looked better. But I don't know, something about it I don't like. Like these charms, period, together, the colors, like I don't like. Oh yeah, and I put, this is the back, I put a pin. I have a lot of little pins, so I just put a little pin, but I may just take this off and just keep the twilly on the handle, because I don't know, I don't like it. I had to loop the twilly through this, so I don't know, it feels forced. It feels forced, like, because it doesn't like the other bags. That's one thing I would say about this bag charm. Try to do it with a bag that has a top handle, but also that has like some kind of anchoring. Like this, I just put everything around, but everything like fit around the handles. But for this, it needed like an anchoring hook for me to clip everything for them to hang nicely. So that's the reason why I'm like, meh. So yeah, I'll probably take this off, and I don't know what to do. Just probably leave it plain. And then my last bag, which was my bonus bag, this is actually probably my second favorite bag. And it's just so simple, but it just came out good. And it's my little, this is also a Longchamp. It's called Le Pilage Mesh XO, because they have a bigger size, and they call this one the extra small. But this, I just put this plain, the striped one, and then this is one of the ones I didn't use. This was supposed to actually, this is one of the other fruit charms that was supposed to go on that bag, but I felt like this and then the other fruit charms are cherry. The different colors, it just looked too jumbled. So I feel like I put this on this. I also ordered, after I did this, I ordered the what's it called? The Hermes horse. I got a black one with brown with yellow, and I bought it specifically for this bag, but I don't know the dimensions of the horse, so if the horse is like small, it would look cute on this bag, but if the horse is as big as the bag, I don't think I'll put it on, and I may either just leave it like this or take this off, because definitely even without the charm, just with the twilly, like it just transforms it. Like I'll have a picture of how the bag looks normally, but with the twilly, like super cute. And this bag does have a crossbody strap, which is inside. Super cute though. So I would say number 1, Zara. Number 2, Longchamp. Number 3, my bigger Longchamp. And number 4 is the Zara. So like I said, that's why I do like this trend, because it brings new life to old bags, and then you could just jiggy up new bags. So yeah, I say try this at home. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Go through like older keychains you have, and just like these little things. Like some of these I had since I was a teenager. Like, you know what I mean? Some of these other keychains, like that chain thing on this bag, I had for like 5 or 6 years and didn't use. Like, didn't buy it for this purpose, but kept it. It was here. Used it. So that's what I mean. Whether it's what you have or a couple things you can buy from Shein, I think this is a really cute trend, and I really like it because, like I said, new life to old bags. You know what I mean? So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.